that makes your life happy.
Wow, you called somebody else your own name. What a dumbass.
You say Ben?
Yeah, he called you Ben. Dickhead! Up to you, Gimpy. You're the one who's gonna freeze your balls off.
I don't know if it's gonna work. You sure it's gonna like grip it?
What?
You couldn't have just hit pause?
What?
You sure it's gonna grip it?
I should take my shit off.
That's why you should just put your jacket on.
No.
Just go already, goddammit. Come up there and neuter you with a rusty spork.
So bad.
Okay.
This is not a good idea.
Such a great idea.
Not a good idea.
You might want to move.
Ultimately, we could think back on this and be like, well, this maybe wasn't such a good idea.
Oh, he's pussying out on it.
It's gonna get all on your pants.
Quit pussying out.
Oh! Oh!
Get up.
Oh! Walk in like that.
How'd that go?
I want to do that again, dude.
Cold?
My stomach is burning right now.
Yeah, it's called friction, you dumbass. What the F? Ah! Hang on.
You know what you remind me of? A bag of ball sacks. Is that still recording?
Dickhead!
Alright, take your time.
I think it's in his face.
That's raw. Oh.
Feel better?
We even got round 2 in that.
Yeah, dude. It's fucking freezing.
So you you done yet?
I'm done, dude.
Okay, so you're done freezing your balls off.
Yeah, they're cut from the snow.
Dumbass. Sure it wasn't the... Oh, you probably shouldn't have done that, because I just realized, remember there was dog shit on that?
The dog shit on me? No.
Not yet.
Okay.
Alright. Goodbye.